Hi, I'm here for another Feldenkrais video that is very gentle. When you feel ready, cross your arms. As you're in a seated position, you can also be in a chair. You're in a hugging position, so you have one hand on one shoulder and one hand on the other. Notice that one arm is under and the other is over. And begin to turn in both directions, taking the head and eyes with you as you move. And notice which direction is easier for you. And let that go and come to lie down on your back. And as you rest on your back, bring your awareness to your sensation of how you feel, supported by the ground. You're breathing. Have your legs in standing so that the feet are flat on the ground. And then cross the arms just like you did a moment ago. And now push into one foot and take your shoulders to the opposite side. It's almost as though your hand behind your shoulder can pull on the same side that the foot is pushing. Go to both sides, going back and forth, taking the head and eyes if they want to go. Feeling this rocking movement, very gentle, over your spine, through your body, using your feet to push. Pushing a little with one foot, turning in the opposite direction and doing the same on the other side. Pause for a moment and switch the crossing of your arms. And now begin to make a movement where you turn in one direction by first only taking your eyes. Let's go to the left. The face is toward the ceiling, your arms are crossed. Your eyes trail to the left. And then your head follows after your eyes go as far as they can go. Now your head is to the left. From here, take your shoulders and chest by taking with the arm your shoulder, and then push into the foot last. And come all the way back and try that again, or go to the other side. Only the eyes go first, followed by the head, followed by the shoulders, followed by the hips. If you haven't tried the other direction, give it a shot. This is a choreographed movement, so we have one thing moving at a time. First eyes, then head, then shoulders, then hip. And feel how that kind of flows down the body. Pause the next time you're in neutral and rest the arms for just a moment to see how you feel. And then hug yourself again. If you can, change the crossing of your arms, so maybe you do the other way, if it's easy. This time, take your head and eyes as far as they can go to your easier direction. If that's your left, you go left. If it's your right, you go right. And if you don't know, see which direction is easier for your head to turn in. Once you go as far as you can go with head and eyes, in that direction, find a spot on the wall that you won't look away from. Keep your eyes there and take everything else as you push into the opposite foot with you, even the head. So the eyes will be trailing behind. You'll see out of the corners of your eyes. You're still locked on that spot. And go on both directions, pushing with the foot, but don't unglue the eyes from that one spot. This is going to change so much. This is a huge power movement. Eyes are glued, body's rocking. Eyes don't move. And now take everything back. Go in the same direction that your eyes were just going in and see if there's more ease. And let's try that on the other side. Take your eyes as far as they can go with the head in the other direction. Find a spot on the wall to lock onto. Take the rest of your body in the rolling motion, but your eyes stay glued to that spot. Even your head rolls with the body, but the eyes stay glued. Think about how far do you go with the head where you can't look out of the corners of your eye to lock that spot anymore, and then you come back As you go to the other side, you'll have a little more room for your eyes. Doing this as you breathe, making sure this is easy enough for you to breathe with it. And then when you're ready, taking everything back to the middle and try going to that same side with everything. And the other side. And notice if anything's easier. The next time you're to a side, roll all the way to your side and take your time to come up to a seated position. And we'll come back to the same thing we did before, so crossing the arms when you're ready. And just taking a moment too if you need it for recalibrating, reorienting. Taking your arms, head and eyes in each direction when you feel ready. And just noticing is there more weight shifting over your pelvis, more of an ease in turning. What about your eyes? Do they feel bigger, more free to see more? And can you easily see out of your peripheral? If not, I'm going to do a longer video to break this down, but I hope you found a little bit of change that will improve your day, your eyesight, and your whole way of seeing the world. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you soon.